Hello, lovelies. You're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Happy to have you all with me today. Lovelies, let us make this delicious lunch together. This is also perfect for dinner, but this soup, we are going to prepare it together. Do you want to enjoy this abula? Let's make this gbegiri together. Lovelies, can you see? Let me show you the easiest way to make your gbegiri. Peeling off the beans is also easy. Let's start it, guys. That is the beans I have. I'll be using black-eyed beans. You can use red beans if you have it, but if you're using black-eyed beans, you need to soak it in warm water for about 10 minutes. If you're using red beans, just soak it with normal water for around 5 minutes. And after that, you can see it's ready. Now get your blender. Pour it into the blender and make sure you add enough water into it. Lovelies, we are not blending this. We want to peel the skin of the beans. All you need to do is turn your blender on and turn it off. Turn it on, pulse. As you turn it on, you pulse until it is okay. Shout out to Usman Shegun watching from Nigeria. Thanks so much for liking our recipes. God bless you. Please remember to leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching us from. God bless you. That is it. That is our beans. It is now ready to be washed. You need to get water, pour some water on it now, and get your sieve ready because we need to separate the beans from the skin. All right, this is really easy if you use this method. You keep on doing this. You pour water into it, you drain it off. As the water is coming out, you can see the skin is also floating out with the water. You see, it's almost clean. You have to repeat this process until your beans is completely clean. Look at it. So let me rinse it one more time. It is now completely clean. Tra-la-la. Look at our cleaned beans. Now let's continue with the cooking. Now get a pot. Pour the beans into the pot. Add water for cooking. Add chopped onion into it. Yes, chopped onion. Add it now into it. Add palm oil. I'll be using potash. This is total optional, okay? It's optional. It will only fasten the cooking of the beans. Now, partly cover. Don't cover it fully. Cook until it is really soft. Cook it till soft. Now let's check it. Take some of the beans and press it with another spoon. You can see it is super soft now. Now get a blender again. We're gonna pour this back into the blender. And it's now time to blend till smooth. Okay, now blend it well. Look at it. Look at it. It's really super smooth now. Now pour it back into the pot. You can just add some water into your blender, rinse it well, and pour it into the pot as well. So let's move on with the other ingredients. I'll be adding seasoning into it now. I'll be adding salt. I'm going to add chili powder. And now it's time to give it a good mix. Mix it thoroughly. Alright, so it's now time to continue with the cooking. But you need to taste those ingredients now. Please taste for salt and seasoning and adjust to your taste, okay? So now you can leave it like this, or you cover it partly. Don't cover it fully, otherwise you mess up your kitchen, because once you start cooking it will be floating up, it will be flowing up. All right, so that is it. Now after 5 to 8 minutes, you can this aroma I'm having here, lovely. This is a must try. Now this our gbegiri is ready and it's super stress free to be cooked. Now let's serve it together. Where's my plate? That is my amala, the first wrap of amala. That is the second wrap of amala. Hey, me, I love better food though. Now that is a wedu and the egg gbegiri we all cook together. Look at it. Oh, voila. Now it's time to get my assorted meat stew. Just add your assorted meat or fish stew. Just add a bit on it. Time to enjoy this food. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. See you next time. Bye bye.